Teaching Yoruba language, you might think, oh yeah, call it mobile, call it mobile. No, I don't just teach. I'll tell you the meaning. Whenever you see something very similar to that, like for example, Odaro, that is still morning. When I've explained the Odiaro, O, that is the third person, D, that's a conjunction, Aro, morning. You understand it fully. Mo wá yọ àárọ̀ yẹn kúrò ńbẹ̀, mo wá sọ fún ẹ pé ó di alẹ́. Mi kàn ní sọ fún ẹ pé ó dàárọ̀ till day break, ká wá move on. Mo wá tún wá fún ẹ sí pé ó dalẹ́. And I'm so sure with the explanation, because I've already explained to an extent that if I can just remove a word, ó dalẹ́, you'll be able to remember that alẹ́, night. Kí ni mo yọ ńbẹ̀, morning, àárọ̀, till night. Ó di ìrọ̀lẹ́, till evening. That is how learning take place. That is how I teach. Mo máa fọ wẹ́lẹ́wẹ́lẹ́, eléyìí fẹ́lẹ̀, ìyẹn fún yẹn. I don't just give you words, because I feel Yoruba is a combination of words. Do not give a particular name. Everything has meaning. That's how I don't translate like for like. I'll tell you, every language has their structures. English has their structures, Yoruba have their structure. Though we use the first language, which you understand, to teach you the language you don't understand. So you don't teach like cramming, or we just say to your mouth, give it that meaning. So when there is a change, you'll be able to know that, oh, this change, it can also give another meaning. Change will definitely happen in the sentence. But the most important thing is to understand your own best knowledge. It will take time. I will always say this. It will take time. Oh, love far gone. The most important thing is you understand.